actually know how sperms are produced? Well, sperms are produced by a group of organs that work together that made up the male reproductive system. But what is male reproductive system? So let's discover the male reproductive system. Before we start, let's choose your presenter. Let's start off with major organs and structures of male reproductive system.
In this section, we will explore the structure of the major organ and structure of the male reproductive system from the two point of view,
which are from the 3D view and the cross-sectional view. Male external organs of reproduction consist of testicles and epididymis, seminal vesicles and vas deferens, prostate, and penis.
let's see from the left and top. You see the urinary bladder, pubic bone, vas deferens, erectile digit of penis, urethra, penis, glans penis, foreskin. From the right and bottom, you can see the scrotum, testis, epididymis, vas deferens, anus, bulbourethral gland, prostate gland, ejaculatory duct, seminal vesicle, and ureter cup. From the front of view, we can see the ureter, urinary bladder, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, bulbourethral gland, vas deferens, and urethra. Now we're going to talk about the function of the major organs from male reproductive system. For the testes, the function is to produce sperm and sex hormones. Epididymis is for sites of maturation and some storage of sperm. Vas deferens is to conduct and store sperm. Seminal vesicles is to contribute fluid to semen. Prostate gland also to contribute fluid to semen. Urethra is to conduct sperm. And penis is involved in copulation.
Now we are going to talk about the production of sperms. A longitudinal section of a testis shows that it is composed of compartments called lobules, each of which contains 1 to 3 tightly coiled seminiferous tubules. Altogether, these tubules have a combined length of approximately 250 meters. This provides a large amount of surface area for sperm development. What is a spermatogenesis? Spermatogenesis is a process of sperm cell development. Spermatogonia, an undifferentiated male germ cell, divide to produce primary spermatocytes. Primary spermatocytes move away from the outer wall, increase in size, and undergo meiosis I to produce secondary spermatocytes. Each secondary spermatocyte has only 23 chromosomes. Secondary spermatocytes undergo meiosis II to produce 4 spermatids, each of which also has 23 chromosomes. It takes approximately 74 days for a spermatogonium to develop into sperm.
Sperms will then gain nourishment from the sterile cells until they reach maturation.
Mature sperm or spermatozoa have 3 distinct parts, which is a head, a tail, and a middle piece. The middle piece of the sperms are rich in mitochondria that provide energy for the movement of the tail. The head of the sperm contains a nucleus that covered by a cap called acrosomes, which stores the enzyme needed to penetrate the thick membrane surrounding the egg.
The function of the tail is to propel the sperm forward to fuse with egg.
Now, we will be moving on to the hormonal regulation in males. So first of all, our hypothalamus will secrete the gonadotropin releasing hormone, or also called as GnRH. So this hormone will stimulate male's anterior pituitary to produce three hormones. So these three hormones is, first is gonadotropic hormone, second is follicle stimulating hormone, or also called as FSH, and the last one is a luteinizing hormone, which called as LH. So those three hormones are present in both male and female.
In males, FSH will promote spermatogenesis in the seminiferous tubules, while LH will control the production of androgen testosterone by interstitial cells, in which are scattered in the seminiferous tubules.
Other than gonadotropic hormone, FSH and also LH, there is also another hormone called as inhibin. So this inhibin is produced in the seminiferous tubule. It will involve in negative feedback relationship where it maintains a constant production for sperm and also testosterone.
Now we'll be moving on to one of the most important hormones in males. Yes, it is testosterone. Testosterone is main sex hormone in males. It is vital in normal development and functioning of other organs, just like penis, testes, and other.
Other than that, testosterone also functions to maintain the male secondary sex characteristic that will be developed after they hit the puberty. So these are examples of male secondary sex characteristics that maintained by the testosterone. First of all, generally male are taller than female. They also have a broader shoulder and longer legs. Other than that, males also have a deeper voice than female. This is because they have a larger larynx and also longer vocal cords. Moreover, males have an Adam's apple. So an Adam's apple is actually a protrusion in front of their larynx.
Testosterone will causes males to have noticeable hair on their face, on their chest, and other regions of the body. For instance, we could clearly see mustache and beards on the male's face. Other than that, there's also a chemical named dihydrotestosterone, in which the testosterone will produce in the male follicles. So it will lead to receding hairlines and male pattern baldness. So last but not least, testosterone is also responsible for muscular development in males. To conclude, the human male reproductive system is producing and transporting sperm, ejaculating sperm into the female reproductive tract, producing and secreting male hormones. Sperms are produced in testes by spermatogenesis that involve both meiotic and mitotic division, starting from spermatozonia until they become mature sperm. Testosterone is the main sex hormone in males that encourage the male secondary sex characteristic that develop at the time of puberty.
또 다시 남이 된다. 내 마음은 처음부터